So recently there was a pop-up in central London in Carnaby Street, and it was by the brand Barbour. So this is what I got, the Barbour tote bag, and then I got it engraved here, just there, and it came in two shades. There was like a darker one with this sort of material, but I thought the lighter one was a bit more different, so I thought I'd pick that up. Then they also gave us this lovely bunch of dried flowers. These are from the Highlands in Scotland, and I'm very, very excited because these are dry, so I don't need to put them in water. And she said that you could plant the Nigella seeds and they would grow as well. So I wanted to show you kind of what I got. So the pop-up was a bit of a mixed bag, which you would have seen from my videos, because the actual slots were a bit of a mess when you got there. But once you were inside, the actual experience was really nice. It was just a shame they didn't organise it as well as they could have. But I did feed that back as well. But yeah, that's the items that I got when I went to Barbour. Beautiful.